Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about the top 7 myths of small engine repair. There goes my turtle. Let's get right into this countdown. Small engine repair myth number 1. Everyone says you need high priced tools like Snap-on, Milwaukee, or some of the other big boys to do mechanic work. In reality, I started this business 4 years ago with Harbor Freight tools and still use them to this day. I don't really see a need to get an impact for $200 when my $50 impact works just as well. So you don't need to go out and spend extravagant amount of money to start a small engine repair business. You can do it with what you have or budget tools with Hart or Harbor Freight or even Cobalt. So don't listen to them when they say you need to get Snap-on or Milwaukee. That works fine. Small engine repair myth number 2. Now here's a good one. Everyone says that fuel stabilizer will make your gas last much longer than without fuel stabilizer. In my honest experience, I don't care what kind of fuel stabilizer you're using, eventually your gas will go bad. So, best thing is, if your gas is over 3 months old, just change the gas. No need to add stabilizers or waste money or any of these additives. Small engine repair myth number 3. Now that is people saying that you cannot make money doing small engine repair only being part-time. They always say you got to be full-time in order to make money. And that's not true at all. If you only do this once or twice a week, you're looking at probably $300 a week. In flipping machines, you're looking at even more. Now you can make a lot more money doing this full-time and if you have the clientele for it. But to be honest, you do 2 or 3 carburetor cleans a week, you're doing $60 a carburetor clean. Do the math, that's $180 a week. You can make money doing small engine repair part-time. You do not have to go full-time. Myth number 4. Number 4 is saying that people say that you need a shop, a physical location, in order to do small engine repair. Right here, this is my shop in my day-to-day life. I am a mobile small engine mechanic. So to be honest, you don't need a shop. If you got your home garage too, you can pick up the stuff from the customers and bring them home and work on them and take them back. Or you can have the customers come to your house, which is where I do most of my repairs, or I just repair them right at their house. So you do not need a physical location or a shop in order to get your small engine repair done. Does it help? Of course, it brings in a little bit more business, but this is just as good, and some people actually prefer you coming to them. Number 5. I'm working on a John Deere right here. You guys seen it in a few videos. I got a few more things to do with it, but myth number 5 is that you have to be certified or go to school in order to be a small engine mechanic, in order to work on John Deere, Briggs & Stratton, Honda, Champion. That is 100% not true. You absolutely do not need any certifications at all or any schooling at all. If you think you could do it and you get your business license, if your city or county requires it, you can do the work. Make sure you know what you're doing so you get those good reviews, because word of mouth in this business is everything. But in order to work on stuff like John Deere, you don't need certifications. I work on a few things. I have no certifications at all. And I actually do warranty work for Home Depot and 19 something businesses all in Mojave County. So you don't need to do it. You don't need to go to school. But if you want to, more power to you. Small engine repair myth number 6. Now that is the biggest myth of all, I think, is that fact that when people like me and a few other YouTube creators use starting fluid to do a test. Starting fluid, just to test it to make sure you got spark or compression or you just want to hear it pop, will not blow up your engine. Now if you sit there holding it and running the machine constantly with starting fluid, yes, that can damage your engine. But just doing a quick test, I've been doing this for like 5 years now, and not once have I ever blown an engine. And it's just a quick squirt just to see if it pops, make sure she fires okay. As long as you're not doing it every time or starting it every time like that, a little bit of starting fluid or carburetor cleaner is not going to kill your engine. And my last and final small engine myth for you, small engine myth number 7, is the fact that you only are supposed to order OEM parts when doing small engine repair. There's nothing wrong with ordering aftermarket parts. Matter of fact, right here, I ordered aftermarket. Let me open it for you. Bam. An aftermarket carburetor float. This is going to work just as good as the $100 float for 20 bucks. So, if your customer's okay with it, you always ask, hey, I found one for online aftermarket for blah, blah. If they 100% agree that they want OEM, then you can say, okay, well, I need the part money down first and order the part. But if not, go aftermarket. No one in the world says you have to do OEM and OEM only. I am back here at my lovely turtle pond to finish off this video. I appreciate you guys so much. If you guys know any myths that I missed out, leave them down in the comments below. I really appreciate everything you guys do. I'm so close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. And so far, you guys, this community has been the best. So I really appreciate making content. I hope to bust out a lot more coming out in the future. 200 more, and I'm at that 1,000 subscriber mark. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you like the content, hit that like button. Also, I'm going to have a playlist up here, probably lawnmower repairs, if you guys want to check out the playlist. And right under that, that's going to be what YouTube thinks you should watch next. And right there's that subscribe button. Well, without further ado, my name's Andrew, and I'll see you next time.